So hi people, this is me trying to make a card for one of my favorite customer, and her birthday, she purchased some products from me, and 2 days prior to her birthday, and I thought the best thing would be me creating a handmade birthday card for her. So when I went home some weeks ago, when I was going to plant some trees, my small brother came out with a certain paper, and I asked him where he got it, whether it was a manila paper, and then he was like, no, these are cards zilikuwa za Kevo is my brother, sijui blah blah. And then I told him endo nilete, and then he brings me these beautiful cards that my brother did architecture back in campus, and these are the cards he was using for his project. So I decided I'm going to recycle them and use them to make small thank you notes and cards for my customers each time someone purchases a product from me. So yeah, have you ever tried following a DIY YouTube video and it goes, south? Yes, I experienced that. I tried following some DIY from YouTube because I thought the card looked appealing, and at the beginning it was nice, but then it got to the part where I have to make some measurements, cut, fold. I did all that in the right way, but then there's this folding process that I just couldn't figure it out. And imagine I ended up deciding to combine some Pinterest ideas and use the resources that I have, and I thought that my client is going to appreciate the effort that I made in creating the card. And yeah, at the end you will see what I came up with, and I hope my customers, wherever they are, get to always appreciate the effort, the time, and the creativity I try to invest in creating the thank you notes, the cards, basically anything that I send to them. Anyway, in life, you have to learn, fail, get the fuck up, try again, fail, until you become a master. Life ain't easy, and it never gets easy. So I hope you guys walk with me in this journey, and I promise to get better at it. If you like my content, or rather my effort, please give me a like, a repost, a comment, a follow, whichever you desire. And yeah, we'll see you on the other side of life someday when winning. Thank you, and aye captains.
Shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up and hit